When I was little, there were only farmsteads here. Today, courtyards and tenements.
Hi, I'm Jonas from Doing History. Today's topic: urbanisation. Urbanisation means the rapid growth of cities, especially in the 19th century. More and more people moved from the countryside to the city because factories, workshops and businesses offered jobs there. This rural exodus was closely tied to industrialisation. Cities expanded. New neighbourhoods appeared. Railway stations, streets and factories reshaped the urban landscape. But urbanisation also brought problems. Many people lived in crowded tenements, often under poor sanitary conditions. So urbanisation meant more than city growth. It meant a fundamental change in where people lived, worked and made their homes.